All right, I got a challenge today, and it's to purge, declutter, and organize this playroom in under 15 minutes. So I got my timer ready to set, and I'm gonna get to work. Welcome back, or hi if you are new here. My name is Trena, and on this channel, I create videos that help you simplify and organize your life so you can start enjoying motherhood again, because let's be real, motherhood is #surviving. So one of the things I really try to do is make organizing and decluttering a little bit easier and a lot less overwhelming. So my challenge today is to declutter, organize, and purge this playroom right here. So it's not too terribly bad. I do have a lot of bins that things are in that I want to go through and get out. I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes and see how much I can get done. Now, I don't want to be doing this alone. I want to do this as a group. So I want you to purge, declutter, and organize one room today and share it on Instagram with the hashtag Purge and Declutter Challenge. I can't wait to jump in Instagram and check out your photos, your before and after photos, and see how it went. Alright, so I honestly did not know how this would work, but I was able to get most of the stuff done. You see there's a couple more things left. Let me show you exactly what I did. So I have these bins, and I actually grabbed these from the Dollar Tree. You'll see I have a Dollar Tree store haul. I got those, so I got 3 of them, and what I put in this bin was all the DVDs, because having them out, the kids just go nuts and open them all. So I'm hoping to put them away there. Then I have a box that's kind of all about shapes. So there's bowls and blocks and just kind of shape things. Then we have a car box where my son can put all his dump trucks and things. Then we got a Lego box, and then a ball, and also semi-miscellaneous. So we have shovels that need to go in for the beach, and they have flashlights that they want to play in. Then this box is all strictly for food for the play set. So pots and pans and food. And then that bin is for the bigger toys. So the doctor's kit, the picnic kit, all those types of things. So I just have a couple things left on the floor here. That is all baby toys that I'm going to purge. We don't need those anymore. My son's turning 2. I got a couple books that I gotta put away yet. This, I'm not 100% sure what to do with this yet. These letters drive me insane and they go nuts, so I need to find something to do with them soon. I tend to put the strollers in the corner as well. That needs to go in the truck box, so let's go ahead and do that. They tend to color on these, so I don't want to pick them up yet. That family tree is going to go up to my daughter's room. And this box I did not jump into. It's mostly stuffed animals. I really need to go through and binge these stuffed animals on another day. I knew I probably wouldn't get to this, so I didn't dump that. It's probably gonna take me about 5 more minutes to just wrap up here and be done, but it didn't take that long. Again, having those bins and those categories to throw things in make it so much easier. What's your #1 tip for organizing your kids' playroom and keeping it organized? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to share your #Declutter and Simplify Challenge photo over on Instagram. And don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos just like this every Saturday here on my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.